This method is completely brand new. It's so unique that very few people even know that this new method for making money online exists. There are a lot of gatekeepers out there. However, my purpose for today's video is for people to think about themselves in their own self-interest and to assist you in achieving your goals and earning your first few $100s online. I'll tell you right now that the earning potential here is immense, and the sky's the limit. Consider the financial and geographical freedom you could achieve if you succeed at this. You might even be able to pay off some debt. I'll show you every detail in this step-by-step tutorial, and everything is completely free. Online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. First, go to youtube.com and search for motivational videos. You'll find a bunch of results posted by other people that have gotten millions of views. Before you jump to any conclusions, let me just say that you won't have to create your own videos here, and this method won't require you to have a camera or a YouTube channel. But I do want to show you this best kept secret on how to make big bucks. There are millions more views since there are so many individuals looking for this type of information. Now, for step 1, I want you to go to uii.io and choose 3 different videos from these search results. Step 2, I want you to go to uii.com and earn PayPal money by having people click on your unique link. The concept is actually fairly easy. All you have to do is create a free account. You'll simply need to shorten your link, which I'll show you how to do it in a second. And when people click on it, you'll be paid in PayPal money. This is exactly how people from all over the world are getting paid real money every single day. You'll be paid per click, and depending on who clicks on your link, you'll be paid varying amounts of money. For example, when people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you'll be paid varying amounts of money. You'll be paid $5 if people from Norway click on your link. You can see all of the different rates right here on their website. Now, let me go over it again. They have the same concept, which is to shorten your link, get people to click on your link, and you get paid again and again. That's our strategy. Go to YouTube and find 3 different videos from there. We'll just have to click on the share button and copy the video link, but instead of sharing this video link, we're going to uii.io to shorten it. Now the challenge is, how do you persuade folks to really click? I've got this copy and paste script all written out for you, and you can just use it whenever you need to convince people to click on the link that you sent them. The title of the script is to motivate yourself like never before, and here is the whole script right here. You can just copy and paste it and you're done. Now let me show you how to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is click on this button to sign up for free, and it will take you to this page where you can register for free. All you have to do is type in your username, email address, and password. Once you've logged into your brand new account, you'll see all of this. You can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're making. Of course, if you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see 0 right there because you haven't shortened any links and gotten people to click on them yet. I'd like to show you this exact example. While using a brand new account so that if you're watching right now, you can exactly copy everything I'm showing and start earning PayPal money. All you have to do now is click on this button that says a new shortened link. That will open up this window as you can see below. Now go back to YouTube and select the first video that you want to share. All you have to do now is click on the share button and copy the YouTube URL link. I'll just type motivational and then click the shorten button, which, as you can see, will automatically help us shorten this YouTube link. This is a special uii.io shorten link, and whenever people click on it, they'll be taken to YouTube and begin watching this video, and you'll be paid per click. Now, all you have to do is copy the shortened link right here and return to our copy and paste script. Scroll down to this section and paste the script. Now we'll just have to repeat the process by moving on to the second column and inserting the second link and so on. With this strategy, the more links we put up, the more money we'll make. When you have all of the links in order, go to File, then Download, and save this document as a PDF on your computer so you can start using it and posting it on this last website that I'll be discussing. Now we're on the final step, which is to get a lot of people clicking on your shortened link and getting a lot of free traffic. Just to go to slideshare.net, where people upload documents and things like slideshows to get a lot of free traffic. I've pulled up an example of a document and a slide that people upload to slideshare.com. You can join up for a free account here by clicking on the sign up button right at the top, which will lead you to this page where you can sign up for a free account. From there, just click the upload button up top, and it'll take you to this page where you can upload a file, which is where we'll upload the PDF file right here on slideshare.net. Slideshare.net has over 160 million monthly visitors, and many people come to this website looking to learn something new. So this is a perfect place for you to share this document for free, where other people can read it for free, and if they want to learn more, they can click on your link and start watching the video you link them to. It's a win-win situation because you get to share a good video with other people while also getting paid per click. And that's it.